Hello everyone. Many users have reported that after installing Battlefield 6 on their PC, they encounter an error message when trying to launch or play the game. The message usually mentions a security violation, secure boot is not enabled, or something similar. If you found this video, there's a good chance you're facing the same issue. Let's go over how to fix it. To play Battlefield 6 on your PC, your system must support the secure boot feature, and it needs to be enabled. If secure boot is turned off, the game won't run. So the only solution here is to enable secure boot on your PC. To make this easy for you, I've found a detailed video guide that shows exactly how to enable secure boot. Just check the link in the description below, follow the steps, and enable secure boot on your computer. Once you do this, the error message should no longer appear. I've received many comments from users who say this video helped them fix the secure boot issue when trying to play Battlefield 6, so I highly recommend you give it a try. If for some reason this doesn't solve your problem, you can also check out the official EA support checklist where they explain what else to do if the issue persists. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about the video or the process, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.